Here's the best proven way to maximize Bolt.new's features and supercharge your app development process by 10 times. In this video, I'll show you the exact method and prompts I use for my own project and how to transform a simple image design into a fully functional web app and deploy it all in under 5 minutes. Let's start by choosing a design for the app. If you already have an image of your dashboard design, great. If not, don't worry. Websites like Dribbble and Behance offer tons of professional designs you can browse and download. For this video, I simply searched dashboard on Dribbble and picked a clean, minimal design that would work perfectly with Bolt. Once you have your design ready, upload it to Bolt and write a detailed prompt. To make things easy, I've shared the exact prompt I use in the video description. Just copy and paste it into your project. This prompt consists of 3 key components, which you can learn to use for any other project. Learning how to give the best prompt is essential if you want to get the most out of any AI coding platform. The first part of your prompt should be to ask it to create a pixel-perfect clone of the attached image, which ensures Bolt replicates the design as accurately as possible. The second is to specify the main tech stack. Since we're building a web app, frameworks like React.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS work best. If you're unfamiliar with tech stacks or unsure what to choose, don't worry, I've got an in-depth video coming soon to explain it all. The third is asking it to follow professional and the best practices in design and development, which will ensure it writes the code in a professional way which can be easily understood by anyone. Enter the prompt and wait a few minutes for Bolt to develop the initial version of the dashboard. You can either view the design directly in Bolt, but with a limited space, or deploy it to see it live in full screen mode. Personally, I prefer deploying the project after making as many changes to save on Bolt's tokens. For demonstration purposes, I deployed my project after the initial version. As you can see, the dashboard is designed perfectly, almost 90% identical to the original image. Bolt even added hover animations to the graphs, enhancing the overall user experience. If you want to take it a step further, you can ask Bolt to use the shadcn library for subtle animations, making the design even more engaging. You can further prompt Bolt to develop additional pages, create a complete navigation system, and maintain a consistent design across the entire app. If you have images for the other pages, you can upload those too, ensuring every page aligns perfectly with your vision. For this video, I asked Bolt to create 2 additional pages due to token limitations, but in the next video, I'll show you how to develop the remaining pages and connect the app to a backend to complete the project. As you can see, it has developed the complete navigation and used its AI knowledge to create relevant content and components for both pages. Give this method a try and see how Bolt can transform your development process. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and thank you for watching.